What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Did you know that you can get drops for Dune Awakening? Well, I was also semi-aware that you could get drops, but I'd definitely recommend if you're playing Dune Awakening, you should try and get the Observer floor over here, as it's a not pay-to-win skin, but you can put this down in your base to easily create shelves worth of boxes, things like that. That'll make organization quite a bit better. So how exactly do you earn Dune Awakening Twitch drops? Well, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is head across to account.duneawakening.com. You'll find this linked down below and click login with Steam here. And once you're signed in, all you need to do is then click link Twitch account over here and sign in with your Twitch account that you'll be watching these streams on, earning your drops. Click authorize, and once you've done both of these steps, you're now eligible for earning Twitch drops pretty much straight away. All that's left to do is watch participating Dune Awakening streams, and the next time you log into the game, your rewards will be available for use. So, from the inventory page or drops page on Twitch, you can find the Dune Awakening section and a link to the participating live channels. At the time of recording, this particular Twitch drop session is for any, I would think, Dune Awakening streams. So simply just find one to watch, click it, and leave it going in the background. Now, as usual with Twitch drops, I would recommend not actually muting the stream using the volume slider here. Instead, mute the entire tab by clicking the speaker icon up here if you're on Brave, or right-click and choose mute, mute tab, mute site, something along those lines in similar browsers. Once you do so, you'll not hear the stream, but at least you'll still be earning drops from it. And of course, you'll see this pop up in the top right saying you can earn different drops by doing different things. This current Twitch drop session, a lot of these items you can earn just by watching, and you should see in your inventory on Twitch progression as it happens. So after waiting a minute or two, you can now see on my twitch.tv/drops/inventory page, the Dune Awakening launch drops here are busy earning themselves just like that. The rest of the items here in this Twitch drop session here seem to be items that you can earn by using subscriptions, so purchase 2 new recurring or gift subscriptions and claim these 4 items over here. Besides that, these last 3 you can earn it just by watching streams for up to 2 hours, which is great. You can also see from the twitch.tv/job/campaigns page under Dune Awakening that it says connection required connected. Assuming you see this, well, congratulations, you're able to earn Twitch drops, and it's confirmed on Twitch's side as well. But yeah, that's basically that. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and you'll find all of the related links down below. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.